Hello, hi, Sanmonani, and welcome to yet another episode of Elevate. You know, when you see this face, Ustabile Kamazubane, we are going to be chatting with abantu enibathandayo, abantu enthokozelayo futhi ukubabona. Today, we are celebrating the month of love. And so we're bringing someone that you love so dearly to your screens. Umuntu menimbona go Facebook benu, go TikTok benu, go Instagram benu, nimthokozele, nimthakasele, anhlekise. So we're here to talk all things about them and find out more because you know that's what Elevate is about. She's a mom. She's a comedian. She's an entrepreneur. She's a life coach. We're going to find out so much more about today's guest. I want to introduce to you Nonto R. Nonto angusho ngu R ngoba hayi bani ngicela ungisize. Your surname Khubushe.
Khubushe, yeah.
Khubushe because kunale nto yase Maritzburg
yolimi Thawini. Khubushe, yeah. Nonto R.
How are you doing?
I'm good, kunjani?
Hey ngiyaphila nami. Kwazi kwakuhle ukubona mama. Awusemhle ke.
Ngimuhle. Awuphinde futhi.
Hayi umuhle kakhulu.
Thank you.
We're so happy to have you here on Elevate and thank you so much for honoring our invite. We here sit down with our favorite people. Sifuna ukwazi kabanzi ngabo. Who are they in essence? I mean, siyabona ama video akho utrenda, siyabona ama video akho usihlekisa but asazi kahle ukuthi uNonto ubani. So that's why we're here today to sit and get to know you a bit better. Let's start about where you're from. I know uqhamuka eMandeni kusekhaya. Just take me back to eMandeni. Uzalwa ukhula. Tell us a little bit about your upbringing.
Ngizalwa, uyazi ukuthi ngithi ama firstborn my deputy parents.
So we firstborn.
So I'm a firstborn. Kalindiwe no Ruben bakamondlane.
Okay.
And so there's a lot of ukungazi from parents mangabe bewa nengane yabo yokuqala. So yes, they raised me. I think mhlambe when I was 5, then ngathathwa umkhulu ngayohlala kubo kama. So I spent between 5 and until mhlambe ngiyofunda grade 1.
Usakhona la eMandeni.
So at age 5,
ngihamba
ngiyohlala kamkhulu ePortshepstone.
Yes.
And then I go back to do first year now.
Yes.
Ngifunde first year, second year 1. I think when we were at standard 1, I think kwaqala udlame IFP.
Yes.
My home was the first one to be burned eMandeni at the time. And bamgwaza, bamlimaza, but luckily she fought the guy. Ebeletusi swam on her back and she survived.
Yeah.
You know. And then we had to move from eMandeni bahamba bayohlala eMaritzburg eThawini.
Okay. It's still.
So they stayed in PMP for a year. I went back to ePortshepstone ngahlala khona for a year. Sengihlala ke no auntie. And then I came back the following year sengiyofunda uStandard 2 kungakabi ama grades ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah.
So ngingasho ukuthi nje ngikhule, of course I have iside la kama, I have iside labo bawu2 as my parents. Then ngafunda ke standard 2, 3, 4, 5 until I get to matric. But sengise high school, that's where I think most people I went to high school they were not surprised when they found out ukuthi ngiyicomedian because kwakuhlupha ngangihlupha like
eklasini
like anything that would come to mind wawuzongithola mhlambe nabafana lapha emuva sicela isixathamiya makuyi break uzongithola ngemuva kwesikole ngisaha abafana amakota yabo like what I'm doing now ngifike nje umuntu ngimxoxisa kunjani mfethu ngihlephule ngidle vela abafana like they wouldn't know how to say no yabo intombazaneni futhi yabo so nje ngangazi ukuthi nje I don't have to worry makuphuma isikole ngihamba nomngani wami sihambe sicela imali ebantwini because sifuna imali yokugibela mase sesitholile sihamba siyothenga uphaya sithenga necoke siyaphuza siyadla siyawalk asizukugibela siyawalk and then we ask for a lift
hike futhi on top of it
so nje I was I've always been a free spirit, so I was very free spirited. And then I'm surprised to see we even spoke about this. So mangiqeda ke khona ngize la eThekwini ke because ubaba
Yes.
when I finished umatric wathi nje no anginayo imali yokuthi esikoleni then ngicabange mina ukuthi emandeni ngizohlala ngenzeni so I decided ukuthi let me come and look for a job and the first job I got was airport endala
Yeah.
Espe so I was waiter Espe and then I was accommodated by enye family eMlazi into engikhumbula nje noma ngingasakhumbula ukuthi kwakukephi noMlazi but mangiya khona ngangigibela uMlazi 4
Yeah.
bese ngisho ukuthi ngehla kephi lapho and when I wake up in the morning ngangivuswa amatekisi abangumsindo ngizwe ukuthi hawu usuku ke seliqalile ke manje ngiyahamba ngemsebenzini and I think even the love of ukutravela ngalithola lapho ukuthi
Came from there.
kunabantu lana ababhizi abaphethe ama suitcase and I would meet people from all over Africa because yayinkulu leya airport leya yeah so that was the foundation and then ngasuka lapho ke ngathola umunye umsebenzi like mina ngangawuswele kumsebenzi ever
Awuhlezi
ngangihamba
uthola.
nje makuthiwa sengiyekile lapho for whatever reason ngiqala lapha at the bottom ngasemarket nginyuka ngowe street ngihambe ngiyocela ngize ngiwuthole
So uthi wena wawuhlupha esikoleni like growing up. Ekhaya kodwa would they say the same thing about you ukuthi wawumuntu nje nasekhaya?
ngangihlonipha ke ekhaya cause kunomthetho angithi there's a way of doing things uma ulindele ukuthi babulindele ukuthi I think mhlambe into engangekho good kuyona umsebenzi and luckily uma ukhuthele
Yes.
so I didn't have to do washing and because wayethanda ukuzenzela so mina I'd just fix imoto nobaba
Oh, wow.
sikhande sishintshe siservice sikhipha amafutha sifaka amafutha
Wow. So
amasha
namhlanje uyakwazi ukulungisa imoto?
ngiyakwazi but I don't
But you
Yabo,
can.
I can ngiyakwazi ukushintsha isondo you know so yangikhule kanjalo nje ngikhule ngenza imisebenzi yabafana because I think ubaba would say angifuni ukuthi uhlwele emgaqweni
Yes.
but when I look back I think he just really wanted a son kodwa ke ngoba kwase kukhona mina wathi hayi asenze ngoba ngizokufundisa so he raised me eduze
yes.
some of the things ayengakwazi ukuzisho wayezothenga incwadi athi awufunde la like mhlambe when it comes to dating nabafana
Eish.
athi awufunde la bese ngiyafunda ukuthi oh yeah
Iyona ndlela akutshela ngayo ke
he
leyo.
ukuthi ungahlali nomfana endlini uyabo ukuthi umfana uzothi emvakashele so you can't stay in the because in nature will take over
Oh, yes.
yabo ukuthi wena u-negative no positive baya attract so zonke lezi zinto ke wangifundisa zona neBhayibheli njoba nike nibone necontent ukuthi ihambe eBhayibhelini
Yes.
mina iBhayibheli angilifundi most people balifunde esontweni mina sasixoxa nje kanje ukuthi hey
Ekhaya.
Ukawayizwa yini indaba khona an interesting story in the Bible. I think kwakuyingane kaJakobe yini umfana wahalela usisi wakhe in such a way
Oh.
yokuthi ufuna ukulala naye manje and usisi no rather let's get married ubaba ngeke azanqabe ukuthi sishade so why singashadi ngoba ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uyangifuna and then umfana akagcina semforsa ke ngaleso sikhathi amantombazane sasiba yiproperty wawuba yiproperty nje yomfana then he ends up sleeping with her bengashadile emva kalokho he hated her kuthiwa indlela emzonda ngayo yayingaphezulu kothando ayenalo kuyena
Oh wow.
and isn't that funny ukuthi sometimes that's how it is even with abantu namhlanje ukuthi umfana uyahalela once walala nawe avela kubalekela uthola ukuthi akasakuphendula ama calls akho
Because that thing is out now. Le kade ifuna
le
kuwena.
beyifuna nje ne excitement isiphelile you know so leso story nje ngasizwa ngobaba ukuthi there was this thing eyenzaka nezinye eziningi
Okay.
so that was the foundation of course ke ukuhlupha kuzohlale kukhona bayayihluphela nabo ke ekhaya uma nobaba nje amajoke nje of notes uma uyayithandela wayeyithandela ukula manje kusekhulile wayeyithandela ukula uma umbhedela nje
Uzokutshela.
uzokushaya akakutsheli ubona ngo
Uzokushaya.
esehosha ukucelema angizwanga utheni
Nonto I like ukukhuluma ngabazali bakho. Ukhula uyababona bobabili bakhona la phambi kwakho. Lalunjani uthando between them because I'm really interested in hearing about the relationship that they shared. Nanokuthi wena wawusubonani ke kubona ngendlela ababethandana ngayo.
There was peace, definitely there was love because
Yeah.
I think when they got married uMawena 16 ubaba I think wayena 17.
Wow, sure.
And they met at church, so kunaleya nto leya yokuthi
Shadana.
ukuze nizo avoid ubufebe yilo nalo kabe nomfazi wakhe, so respect and whatnot. So they got married in the church. So of course abantu abancane abashada in the church kuzoba khona amaphutha here and there,
Yes.
kuzoba khona ama expectations that are not met, but one thing babethandana.
Yes.
Bese kuba nokuthi ke futhi like ama roles abaye switched kanje, because you would expect ukuthi makuthiwa khona inokhe aggressive ekhaya kini
Kuzovula ubaba.
hayi ekhaya uma hayi emzini wami. She was like that. There's this one time wayephelezela umngane wakhe ebusuku athatha ucela emva wakhe ufakela bese efaka ijazi bahambe qhamuka usigebengu awukhipha ucela emva uthi
Just to say why.
ukuthi lalela ngilingana nawe awumfana suka ahambe. So she was a fighter, and
Yeah.
I think even entrepreneurship kimina ngiyithole kuyena because
Yes.
khona isikhathi nje la kwakusetshenzwa kwaSithebe kunamafemi yabo kuyathungwa nana or they supplying zonke lezi zitolo ulizo bani and my mom used to work there, but kufika upholo nje in the country uma wayodayisa emsebenzini evuka ekseni awusilasa fire escafeni ahamba ayodayisa ahamba eMaritzburg makuphela inyanga ayothenga icathulo abuya azoyidayisela umphakathi. And then she would now hire people abazosebenza akafundile ukugela uno standard 5 but uzoqasha abantu abazolokhunja abazosebenza ensimini bese ecela ugogo my grandma ukuthi wena ke bagadi. So ugogo manje useyimfolomane la uyena osupervisor umsebenzi la, you know. So she had so much wisdom nje engingayazi nami ukuthi wayithathaphi. Even i-community yayimhlonipha like ukuthi makuthiwa khona abaxabene mhlawumbe khona osedla inkukhu yomunye bazoqhubana bethi asambe sekumano
Uma wakho uhamba phambili.
uzolungisa lento she'll find a solution for this problem. So that was how she was. And nami kwangikhuthaza lokho. I think nje wathi after ke le transition from uDlame ebaleka lapha sekushisiwe ekhaya, and she had just purchased ingubo wathenga nehlabathi nelokhunja ukuthi uzo extend ekhaya, but ke we ended up having to move. So yonke leyo nto leyo yasala, and then she decided ukuthi she didn't want to work anymore, aqhubeke nokuthenga impahla yedayisa emaplazini, you know. So nje siphile. Then ubaba had ama-taxi.
Oh.
So nje ngikhuliswe.
So nani rich kini?
Sasikahle. Sasikahle. I wouldn't say rich kodwa futhi ngangingaswele.
Oh yes.
Into nje ubaba wayethanda ukuthi okay, mawuyifuna ngitshele isadingeka next month ungathi manje.
Yeah.
Ngiphi inyanga then ngizokuplanela kuyithola. So siphile kanjani.
All right. So uyasuka eMandeni uyahamba uyofuna umsebenzi eThekwini njoba usho ukuthi wagcina ususebenza eMall. Ithini kuwena lento ngaphakathi, like what is it that you're searching for njengoba uthatha lolu hambo lolu, noma you're just saying ukuthi hayi ngeke mina ngihlale eMandeni?
Ngangizosave phela ukuthi ke the following year ngiyahamba ngiyofunda.
Yeah.
So nje kwakuyilokho ukuthi okay sasebenza la sizorenta senzeni sidle but khona kufanele siyibeke ama-tips kufanele siwathathe siwabeke ukuze makuphela unyaka ngizobuya ngiye kubaba ngicheck ukuthi yena usave emalini mina ngisave emalini then siyahamba ke siyokhokha esikoleni.
And what would you say ukuthi that period of your life taught you about who you are?
Independence, because uyacabanga ukuthi uneminyaka 18 and you are figuring life out on your own, and khona okunye nje ongakwazi, but you have surrendered ukuthi okay, let's go, let's do this. Yabo nama ngiyazi because at the time I think umngane wami sasixoxa naye, she liked journalism. So nami ngathi sihamba siyokwenza journalism because sasithanda leyo nto ukuthi nonto R bani Gagasi News in Johannesburg.
So nathi
sifuna leyo nto because there's traveling, because I think the interest was to see the world. And then my friend ended up doing it drama, mina ngaqhubeka ke ngenza journalism. Then ngo second year we journalism ngathola ke nangu uhulumeni.
Yafika journalism. Ngesifo somuntu.
Nangoku-journalism. And then emva ngalokho manje sengiyacabanga ukuthi do I still study? Because now nansi responsibility, you know, and I wouldn't want ngisho kuthiwa mhlawumbe ngiyamthatha ngiyomhlalisa ekhaya, but I wouldn't want ukuthi abe umthwalo wabazali. So let me drop out of school, let me go find a job. Ngahamba ke ngasebenza kanjalo. And then over the years ke nga-apply ko-UNISA to do youth development because I always had a passion for abantu abasha, like peer education, bani. So ngafunda I worked with Love Life. So when I was in high school, ngang volunteer khona. So I think ama-life skills no focus nje komqondo ukuthi you can do anything you want to do. I always wanted to test whatever theories engiwatholayo ukuthi I can mase ngihlanganisa nokwasenkonzweni ukuthi fanele uhloniphe umzimba wakho yabo yabo zonke lezi zinto, and I wanted to share those things nama peers nabanye abantu abasha ukuthi yazi uma ungenza kanje ungakwazi ukuthi uphile impilo engcono.
You find yourself pregnant. I mean, usukile ekhaya wazohlala la eThekwini ngoba ufuna umsebenzi, but you end up finding yourself pregnant and having to drop out. How do you break the news to your parents back home? And futhi bazamukela kanjani indaba enjalo?
So ngenhlanhla ke ngangizamile ukumtshela umfana ukuthi mina ngithanda ukuyenza lento sengishadile.
Wathi?
Hey, yabona nje abafana. So wahamba ke wayovela ekhaya. Wavela wacela wabuya futhi wavela ngamalobola ayi-few uyabo. So ekhaya, as much as asikhulumi into yokuthi okay usukhulekile, kodwa ikhona leyo nto yokuthi usenomuntu. So it wasn't kwakungelona ihlazo per se because uma inkomo yakhe wayithola yabo ngayiphatha kahle, and this guy came wazama ukuthi ahloniphe njengomndeni. So mhlambe babe ngakuncomi khona ngoba nami I would have wanted ukuthi angiqale ngishade kuqala. But futhi kwakungekubi kangako. Kwaku easy for them to accept it. I think nje kwaba nayo umfana wayakhona washo ukuthi hayi sekulokhu njekile, but it wasn't a bad thing because now I think ubaba nje had a conversation with me wathi I can see your intention ukuthi you were trying to do right by this family yabo. Kwawukuthi ke angaqhuzuka ngawela
and so then does this process then lead ukuthi nize nigcine nishadile nomyeni wakho?
Shadanga nalo.
Wakuyena
ngashade lapha kwakhe.
So then life moves on and you meet your now husband.
Saqhubeka nalona, but ngibona ukuthi akhambi kahle wayawathanda amantombazane. Uthi usekhulile manje angazi ke seningabuza unkosikazi wakhe. Hayi uyayesho nje enganeni.
Ngiyacooperate.
Hayi asicooperate. Lalela ubafo ngiyathanda ukumhlonipha. So as a thing of respecting lo khona ukuthi ngikeep distance kulo yangoba phela naye walithola ithuba lakhe. Wadlala ngalo. So manje angikwazi ukuthi but ke kwaphela lapho, then I think a year or 2 years later I got married. I met ubafo literally end of 2011 and end of 2012 we got married.
Umyeni wakho.
Umyeni wami.
Like I hear people ask this question a lot. How did you know ukuthi umyeni wakho is who you wanted to be with?
I didn't know because angangasafuni ukushada. Ngase ngicabanga ukuthi okay, I have a daughter and I need to protect her. What if I bring a guy and then you know something happens? Yabonja, I had a lot of fears. So nganginokuthi nje no ngifuna ukukhulisa lengane le kanjalo. And then my parents loved him because we go to the same church. So there was izinto zakho ehamba ezibena mahiqi. Yeah, so we met at church and somehow he met my parents and then my parents loved him. So yabona manje angisafuni ukuyifaka kakhulu ebafaneni ngoba umfana usho into namhlanje kusasa ajika sho kunye. So nami nje nginokuthi let me just
keep my distance.
Ngibona ukuthi ngenze njani. I think I went to Joburg that year. Ngathola umsebenzi. There was a radio drama we recorded. There was an ad eyayino-Joe Mafela, so I got to meet Joe Mafela that year ngo-2012. Yabo ngiqhubeke kodwa nje I did not like staying in Joburg. Ngahlala 3 months kuphela and it just iJozi inokusebenza kakhulu kanti yabo la eKZN sisekhaya.
Ngiyizwa kahle lento kusho.
Siyahamba siya emsebenzini but it's more laid back and it's more homely. Laphana kuyabanda umoya udraya yabona nje kuningi nene ube namankele inle nama kominyawo ngiyakutshela there was so much going on and I just wanted to come back, so I came back and then sashada ke kanjalo.
Nashada ke kanjalo. What people don't know, a lot of people nami nje ngibe shocked ukuthi ushadile, but on top of that you're a mom of 5.
5, yeah.
I was like, oh no, Nto.
Yeah, the reason ngingakuthandi ukuqhakambisa umshado
Yeah.
ukuthi I'm an individual.
Oh yes.
And so mangabe ngithi ngishadile already there's a box wena ozofuna ukungibeka kulona.
Yeah.
Oh, umfazi uyenza kanjani lento? Eganile nendoda. Ithini indoda yakhe? Kanti
Ithini
nami
indoda yakhe?
ngizophila uNkulunkulu wami, ngizophilela mina. Even nezingane zami njoba ngize ngisho kubona ngithi nje ngicela ukuthi ningalindeli lutho. Let's just do basic, uphahla, ukudla. Nginifundise whatever into ngiyifunda but ungabi nayo expectation yokuthi
Sure.
because I'm your mom now fanele ngenze ukuthi as much as nami ngingakufundisa ngibe nezinto engiyifisayo ukuthi uzenze but I'm still allowing of you to be an individual. Uhulumeni unamathathu ubhoboza amakhala amabili wabhoboza. That is her.
Wow.
Angimshayela umthetho ngoba ngifuna ukuthi naye abe uyena. So nami out there ngifuna ukuba umuntu nanokuthi kune pressure that women go through of ukuthi you need to have a man, and I did not want to contribute kuleyo pressure leyo. You see them mhlawumbe umuntu usedivorceile sesikhombisa omunye kuvele kungahambi kahle nalomunye. You can feel if spiritual you can feel isithombe ukuthi lesi sithombe sihamba nencindezi yokuthi you need to prove something to people. So mina ngidlali la ngikho lapho, I just want to be myself and find out kusasa ngakutshela esinye story. If I want to change and tell you another story, I want freedom yokuthi ngikwazi ukutshela. So that is why I limit izinto ekufanele ngizisho. Plus ukuthi ngimbatha nobani ebusuku, I feel ukuthi it's nobody's business. Umzuzu omncane lo enfuna ukuthi ngibhese impilo yami yonke kuona. Why fanele sikhulume ngokuthi simbatha nobani and create a whole identity around ukuthi hayi mina nobani.
No, I think it's so rare to come across umuntu oshadile, umuntu onabantwana, but they still feel and they still want to very highly emphasize ukuthi I am uNonto first. Because I have a lot of people around me that say I'm a mom first or I'm a wife first. But it's very rare to hear someone say I'm uNonto first and I will always be uNonto.
Because ngisho kuthiwa sixabene ngeke wazi ngoba ngizoloku ngifika lapha ngiba yimini. Ngisho kuthiwa si happy ngeke wazi ukuthi si happy because ngizofika lapha ngibe yimina. So okunye lokho elinye ikamero lelo. But nanoma yimuphi umuzi ofika kuona kune dining room where ihambe zifika ihlala dining room. Imina loyo. Ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha ekamereni, there's a reason why kuyikamera, because not everyone is supposed to go in there. Siyavala lapho kunekamera leingane, kulala ingane lapha. Yagezwa lapha kwenziwa amakamera wonke la. So even my kids are a part of my life. But abasiyona impilo yami. Bayibona nabo. Mina nje ngavolunteer ukuthi okay ngizoniletha but aningangithwalisi kumthwalo wokuthi mina ngathi ngizoba uma wenu. Uyabo khona nje isikhathi la masixoxa futhi I tell them everything.
Oh wow.
My mistakes, like izinto engibona ukuthi okay these were my lessons for me, and the reason I'm telling you is so that abashintshe phela elevator kuma mistakes wakho ungabe usayenza leya because nawo ama-consequences akhona yabo.
And so how has this changed then the way that you parent as umuntu who's saying I'm me first? How does it influence the way that you parent your kids and the way that you wife your husband?
If nje nginakho kuyenza into ngiyayenza, makungekho akukho khona. If namhlanje ngiyeza ukuthi yazi ngifuna ukupheka ngibenzele
7 colors.
Ngizowenza namhlanje, but kusasa if angifuni ningangiceli ukuthi ngiyenze leyo nto le. Find another, and that is why ngize ngisho ukuthi ngoba sinezandla asikwenze. Nawe yenza nami ngizokwenza ngoba manje asikwazi ukuthi sishaya imithetho la ekhaya over abantu ababephila mhlambe 50 or 100 or 200 years ago, and asiwazi ukuthi lo mthetho lo wabaphilisa kanjani bona. Thina sesifuna manje ukubheka kumshado wethu kulezi mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi wena ugude kuphekeni as a man, kodwa ngenxa
umnumzane la ekhaya
nginhloko mina sekufanele ukuthi ke wena uhlale nama skills akho amahle okupheka.
Ngabe sidla kamnandi
uyabona nje ukuthi stay deprived. So nje I like ukuthi sivuleleke as abantu ukuthi khohlwa i-community, and the most successful marriages will be ama-marriages aphila kanjalo ukuthi buya la yini esinayo la. Kweminye imizi you find ukuthi mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu unikeza umama wakhona nje i-ability of leadership. Umbone lo sisi ngisho
uzoxosha esontweni wena.
uya understand not leyo nto ukuthi ikhona, but you find ukuthi mhlambe that marriage will fail because umama wakhona has to take the back seat. But uyena onikeze. Imagine in the Bible they talk, I love this woman uDeborah, but she was a skillful warrior. She was a mouth, angithi uJudges lawyer, she was a mouthpiece kaNkulunkulu. Uyena owayejudge ehlulela abantwana baka-Israel. Kuthiwe even impi uyena owayene skill sokuthi how are we going to attack, how are we understand. It can't be ukuthi she was the only one and there's not any other woman ngo 2026 who has those abilities. And just for some reason mina I grew up watching those women. There was Uzina.
Yes, Uzina.
And when I used to watch this woman, there was something about him that would awaken ukuthi yes, now ama restrictions. Intombazana ayikwenza ukuthi, but mina ngibona lo mama lo owenza zonke lezi zinto, and I can feel it in my spirit ukuthi nami ngingakwenza. Obani ubani kome kusamulan Mulan, the Chinese girl who then went to war ngoba ubaba wakhe couldn't go and represent the family. I used those stories just angitshela mina ukuthi yes, ikhona lama limitations esifake kuona, nokuthi nje mina wayifanele ubuntu bam bu approve bu validate ukuthi kunomfana osengikhethile wathi angishade naye, then ke sengizonihamba ngiqhomela ke nenqovu yeringi ukuthi phela mina baba kabani. You know, there's so much more to a person than lezi zinto lezi, than status sakho, than your job, than wena uthule uhleli wedwa kamereni. That is the essence of who you are. So it's important to have a relationship with that, have a relationship with quietness and silence. Yilao phuma khona your authenticity.
I like that, and I feel like it really allows you to live out your full self. Ungathi mongasekho emhlabeni kube nezinto that you didn't get to really fully express. So then how do you then find yourself in comedy? Ufika kanjani ke kule space? You're being curious, you're exploring yourself. How do you find yourself in comedy?
I've always been funny at home.
Yazi khona othe kumina recently, hey abantu besifazana abahlekisi, mina ngeke nje ayike umuntu wesifazana engimazi ohlekisayo. Wathi futhi meke ukuthi ukhona ohlekisayo ngeke abe muhle.
Yabona, and that's one thing I've learned about life ukuthi izinto nje lokhu ziyashintsha. Zilokhu ziyashintsha. Hayi, why khona umuntu wesilisa nowesifazana kuvele kufika igay lithi mina ngizizwa kanje
Yeah.
uthi wena khona umuntu wesilisa nowesifazane negay ukufika non-binary ithi
Yeah.
mina ngi-identify kanje okay khona so things are always changing you cannot say whatever works for you works for you
the other
but it's
person.
not to say no it doesn't work for another person necessarily it's to say oh there's another way oh okay amantombazane behlekisa but abengemahle okay nangu sibanibani yabo
Uyahlekisa futhi muhle.
hayibona so there is always a new discovery and uNkulunkulu is just helping us to open up to possibilities because sometimes we get limited by history ukuthi akaze ke kwenzeke lokho
Oh yes.
but here it is I was actually thinking about what a blessing gay men are
Okay. To who? To the
to
world.
us as women
Okay.
kakhulukazi because thina sinento enkulu you know like a gateway between the spiritual and the physical inkomo
Okay.
leya nto inkulu uyazi ukuthi kwakuba nezimpi zomhlaba
Helen of Troy.
ngiyachazela nje as othola uthi nje kubangwa lento because it's a
Yes.
big thing
Yeah.
and ingakho ipatriarchy ikwenze wena waba apologetic for the fact that you have
You're so
this
powerful.
powerful thing a portal between the physical and the spiritual
Yeah.
now amagay awanayo
Iportal.
inkomo kodwa he has a feeling
Okay.
and so he's basing his entire existence on this feeling and so when I see gay men and I see how proud they are the chest the articulation
They have an internal portal.
ngithi mina how much more mina ngifila kanjalo nginane you understand they are here to teach us to love ourselves as women
Yeah.
they are here to teach us ukuthi sibalulekile ama gay sekuyiwona asitshela ngabafana ukuthi
Hey,
girl
foot.
do not lower your standards
Oh yes.
you understand
Oh yes.
so they are a beautiful important species to have ngo 2026 because siyafunda from them how women ngizibuke ngahlangana no Selby kulesi esinye
Selby
isiteshi
lewala ekhaya.
esasebenza khona ngangisafika ngangithanda ke nami ukusakaza so ngihlale ngihamba khona I think at the time I wanted to I had an appointment with uTshatha but ngafika late so useyaphuma yena ushayela u6 because he used to do 3 to 6
And uhamba kanje.
ngithi sawubona yabo mina futhi ngi soft vele I'm soft spoken bengizeke uTshatha athi oh no uTshatha akekho but uzobe khona Monday okay bye athi yabona ngimile lapha ngizuma
Ngizuma kodwa. Isimo seyinwe.
ngizumoya and yabona usala umuntu umbuko uthi, I want some of that.
Yeah.
You know, they
Yeah.
have it and it's beautiful. Ngiyabathanda.
So take us back to your comedy journey. How do you then find yourself in that space?
Ngoba iwona lo mbuzo obuzile.
Ngiyayicela impendulo.
Ngiyathanda ukuthi ufocusile. Ngiyathanda. So, ngithi ke I've always been funny, but I
Yeah.
hated it because people didn't take me serious. Ngangikuthanda ukukhuluma, yabona nje I think wisdom kaBaba yawela kumina ukuthi he's a critical thinker and mangabe sindawonye we are having these conversations siyaphikisana he listens to me yabona nje whatever decision azoyenza yala ekhaya uzohlalisa mina phansi athi nonto ngicabanga ukuthenga itekisi entsha wena ubona kanjani
Ujabule
noma
nawe.
ngithi hayi shothi sizinhloko nalona uyazi ufuna senze inqumo lana
Yeah.
sikadumano siswami you know so bengihlale ngihlekisa ngingakuthandi kodwa until a friend of mine invited me to she was turning 21 Usnayi and I went she asked me to be an MC so I did my research ukuthi ama social ills desires of a 21-year-old they want to date what kind of men should you date why should you date kanjani umsebenzi nani and as I was presenting people were laughing Hayi bukukhlishani bukani lento le ngiyibonile lento lebo ngiyenzile i-research and they were just laughing and then from there I started getting bookings ukuthi oh please come and MC I have a wedding please come and MC my mom's birthday please come and MC this so yaqala njalo ngo2015 i-career yokuthi oh khona lento engiyenzayo ukuthi kuba mnandi mangikhona then ngo2016 I saw a poster kuma socials ngabona kwakune number so ngiyafona ngifanele uSimphiwe hey boyazi ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyahlekisa ngicela ungifake ngifuna ukubona ukuthi yenzeka yini lento yenu so I went to ishow ka Simphiwe and that was day 1 of my comedy career 10 years later
and bahleka abantu mawufika khona
sisi bahleka nje lento ngiyasaba because one sifundiswa ukuthi into fanele uyisebenzele la ukuthi fanele ujuluke so that you can feel ukuthi you have earned your right to be in a space and la I don't have to think about it
mina ngikubona nje nonto ngivele ngiphele
we understand I don't have even the stuff that I do on the socials sometimes ngikudiscussa ngihleli nezingane ebusuku ngithi mina okay i-punchline yala ngifuna ithi kanje ngihleke bahleke nabo it's like it just comes naturally it just comes so easy and there is a mistake sometimes as ama-artist esiyenzayo ukuthi because it's easy for you to be this thing and so you take it lightly ungayihloniphi so it's important to respect your gift and futhi if it comes easy to you it means ukuthi iyona oyiphethe ozosibusisa ngayo emhlabeni but ifanele ukuthi uyihloniphe uwazi ukuthi iyona ezokuphilisa if you respect it ngendlela efanele
I think you mentioned earlier ukuthi things are evolving and they keep changing just like what's expected of a female. I can imagine 10 years ago mofika kule industry le what are some of the challenges that you have gone through as being umuntu wesifazane or a comedian in a very male dominated space?
Ngakhulelwa.
And you can't work more khulelwa.
Ngakhulelwa. Yabona immediately mangiqala uyazi ngithi uthi i-comedy if you attend a comedy show it increases your chances of falling pregnant. Yeah, it does.
Hayi besingayazi ke
leyo. Angithi leyo nto engithi kano googlisha but it does. Cause angithi ku release kwehlisa stress ku release the happy hormones kwehlisa cortisol so ke nalapha yana kwenza ukuthi relax nga relaxa cause now I'm always in this happy environment mangifike ekhaya ngabamba so mase ngibambile angisawatholi kama gigs now then I started the women in comedy ngenzela ukuthi ke ngiyabona vele ukuthi most of the time it's either like mhlambe siba 5 if not less ama comedian esifazane around the country esisebenzayo so ngase ngifuna ukuvula kamathuba ukuthi nabanye ngibavulele so esengibavulelile 3 women in comedy sebeyakwazi ngisho ukuthi bathola ama bookings mhlambe kube ukuthi if they need accommodation sisinondo sicela usilalise lapho kwakho and I open my home because sometimes it growth yethu as females inaleyo fear yokuthi okay guy can't pay accommodation for you ubusazoqala usazozama so then it's mhlambe it's uncomfortable ukuthi akulalise endlini yakhe because awazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalana ebusuku so then they come to my place balale khona umuntu ahamba yo performer abuye ezolala akusasa goduke and it's been a blessing ukuthi to be in that position yokusiza umuntu ukuthi ayithole yena ukuthi uba and they've performed all over like uPapa Papa Khatebe she's performed around the country she's done Mzansi Comedy Night she's done a whole lot other bookings even in Joburg and she started with Women in Comedy even Umbali Kudazi she's now based in Joburg she started
her comedy recently on a podcast.
Yeah, she started, her first performance was We Women in Comedy. And now she's everywhere.
And speaking of Women in Comedy, you have a show.
I have a show on the 14th of
February. Maybe basikhiphele kwishow
yakho. Kanti nje ungayikhipha nawe Nkosi yami ingane zabantu. Ungayikhipha nje ukhiphe lo 300 or 550 mawukuthi ufuna i-VIP experience uthenga amathikithi and just go there. Laphana nje ngenzela nanokuthi ngisho 2 umuntu awunayo. kungabonakali.
Umthole khona.
Mawuthanda ukumthola khona ungamthola but nje uzohamba uyohleka ngoba khona nabafana abasingile bathi hey sesinonto sengithembe wena. Yabo so nje le ndawo ifana nje nomfula uyakhumbula kudala ukuthi kwakuhlangana emfule at the river uyokha amanzi no20 liter wakho yilapha yana ke
And so what can people expect when they come to women experience yakho ngomhla 14?
I am so excited.
Okay.
You know, because baning abantu and I'm so grateful who don't know stand-up comedy, but they are exposed to social media. Abazo experience stand-up comedy ngomhla ka-14 February ukuthi kunalento emunandi ehilayo. You go home and you are feeling lighter.
Yeah.
Now, this thing is not only contributing to ishow kaNonto Ari ngomhla 14, but it's contributing to the entire comedy industry. Because sizothola ama-customer amasha ngomhla ka-14 February. Expect indumiso, of course. Expect laughter. Yabona labo bantu laba engibabizile, uChurch Boy Nyamazi. He's funny. Unemvuselelo uyacula. He's got a beautiful voice. Ukhanyisa bunu Nyamazi. Nyamazi ukhanyisa. Oh, she's crazy. Thola small Nyamazi. uJustice Kubheka usanda divorce.
Umkhaya wami bandla lo.
Bakize nimthinta isibele manje nimbona
Simuvonile.
Ubungalo khunja yini? Ubungeke why? Ayinda.
Ndothi ufuna ukuqhatha.
Aw Justice ngithi ngiyakuzamela.
Justice Kubheka and who else?
No Justice. Neshema divorce uJustice nimkhulekise nje because I think now there's a lot of fighting involved, but now uzofika hleke lapha sixoxele ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngoba asazi ukuthi umfazi wakhe kwenzakaleni. Uzofika asho lapha kwishow. So expect truth because obviously stand-up comedy is truth. And mangabe sihleka ingoba soba u2 siyavumelana ukuthi iyiqiniso lento engiyishoyo. So yeah, we're gonna laugh about economy, we're gonna laugh about abafana ukuthi nje bayadu the turn. And I love this thing about men ukuthi they make their rules as they go.
Yeah.
I want you to decide uyakuthanda mama ethe uyakuthanda uyakuthanda phela ngaleso sikhathi asho ngaso ukuthi uyakuthanda mayethi futhi wewedwa manje in this moment vele wena wedwa unini ukuthi aniba understand abafana mayephuma kodwa lapho kungenzeka izinto eziningi angaquzuka akhohlwe ukuthi ukuthandile. Kodwa futhi mayesekhumbula usekhumbulile phela ungamphikisi mayethi nje ngiyakuthanda ngalo mzuzu lo there is the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth. I love ukuba free spirited kwabo. I love ukuba free kwabo and nami ngihamba phezulu kwalawo magama lawo nami ngifuna ukubona nje ukuthi kunjani mangikhulekile eSouth Africa. I no longer want to ubacabangela abafana ngisabacabangela so uma ukuthi nje it was a good idea at the time.
Nonto, thank you so much for joining us here. We Elevate. I think the one thing that sticks out that I learned the most about you is how you're living outside of our stereotypes, even though you find yourselves in those roles and being active in them. But I love how you are living outside of what people would typically expect from a comedian, from a wife, from a mom. And thank you so much for honoring us.
Ngibiza ukuthi nasinkwa lana uLofo Brown siyazi wena mbokode nethina lapho ntshisi awuphake labantu abawu20 cha ngoba wena uyakwazi ukuhlupheka ngoba umakoti awubambe cha nami nje ngiqanda nje Nkosi yami nami ngicela ukuthi ningangifaki
iqanda lakho hayi le Grootman
ngiqanda laNkulunkulu child of God. Nifikeke kubaculi khona uDomi Mcockstad khona uXola Mncwango uJumbo.
Oh yes, kuzobe kumnandi. That was Nonto R. Thank you so much for joining us on Elevate. Hey. You can find us on socials. It is Gagasi FM. I am Mustabile. And thank you so much. Until the next episode.
Bye. Sabon.